Hello friends and welcome to video 4. If you are on video 4, that means you finished video 3 and you did your IXL C.5 only and you worked out your 10 problems and have them ready to go for tomorrow to look over and to ask questions as we go over those. Also, the day before, on Monday, you were to do C.4 10 problems in your IXL. We started in class, so make sure that you finish those ones for homework if you haven't already done so, and make sure you bring C.4 and C.5 to class tomorrow. If you are on video 4 right now, that means you've completed everything for today. I just wanted to give you a little insight into Canvas and to show you where you and your parents can go for extra help or resources throughout the year. So go ahead and click on Google Chrome. You should have log into Canvas right here at the top on your toolbar. If you don't, just go ahead and log into Canvas. You can type it in. If your username and password is already there, just go ahead and hit login. If it's not, like mine is not, go ahead and type them in. My Canvas will look a little different than yours because I have each period. So I have period 1 and 2, period 6 and 7, period 3 and 4. You will just go into your math period. I'm just going to use math point 1, period 1 and 2 as an example. So go ahead and click your math course. You should see this, which is our home page. I want you to go ahead on the left and click modules. And you will see a lot of resources that you can use throughout the year in math. So whether you're doing something virtual or paper and pencil, these resources will come in very handy. So like we do our math vocabulary when we start a new unit or lesson, these cards right here, the visual vocabulary cards, will help you. So let's just click on that. You should be able to. And it should take you right to the visual vocabulary cards. And this is pretty cool because you can just kind of click through them. You can see what's coming up and what we're going to be working on in 6th grade. So you can kind of get ahead of the ball game if you'd like to on the math vocabulary and kind of just go through those and look at those. I'm going to exit out of those and I can show you another one. Let's go back. So then we have our math virtual dictionary, which is basically the same. It goes over all the math terms like our math vocabulary that we fill out in our spiral notebooks. We have base 10 blocks, which we've used and you've used before in the past. So when we're working with place value and multiplication and stuff like that and division, these will come in really handy, a resource for you to use at home as well. And then I added videos, multiplying decimals video, rounding video, and dividing decimals videos because that's what we're working on this week. We're working on estimating quotients and dividing decimals. So these videos over here at the bottom with resources, I can just click one. So let's click the multiplying decimals video. It will pop up and be kind of blank like that, but just go ahead and hit multiplying decimals video again and it will go and send you to Khan Academy. And they go through step by step what you should do when you're multiplying decimals. Okay, so they go through several problems. So maybe if your parents don't quite understand what you're doing or working on in class, this is a great resource that they can come to. And I will make sure that I have modules for every lesson that we're doing so that you can watch these with your parents and they can kind of reteach themselves so that they can help you. And then also, as always, if you have any questions coming into the next class, I am free to help you with it as well. But I just wanted to show you guys that quickly so that those are resources that you're going to be using throughout the whole year that are there for you. Again, go back to your class. If we go back to find these, it'll be on your home page. You click modules and they will all be there for you as your resources. So, and I will keep adding them throughout the year. So if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware that they were there on Canvas. Thank you.